Do you love the taste of rosemary? Did you know that this fragrant herb has many health benefits? Rosemary is a member of the mint family, and it is native to the Mediterranean region. It has been used for centuries as a culinary spice and medicinal herb. Here are 10 amazing health benefits of rosemary. 1. Rosemary contains natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. The antioxidants in rosemary help protect your body from the damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and DNA, leading to inflammation and disease. Rosemary contains several powerful antioxidants, including carnosic acid, rosmarinic acid, and ursolic acid. These antioxidants scavenge harmful toxins and help keep your cells healthy. 2. Rosemary lowers blood sugar levels. Rosemary contains a compound called carnosine, which has been shown to have anti-diabetic effects. If you have diabetes or are at risk for developing diabetes, adding rosemary to your diet may help control your blood sugar levels. One study showed that adding rosemary to food reduced blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Another study showed that ursolic acid, a compound found in rosemary, improved insulin sensitivity and reduced the amount of fat accumulation in the liver. 3. Rosemary enhances your cognitive functions. The rosemary herb has been used for centuries to improve cognitive function and memory. One study showed that rosemary tea improved task performance and cognitive processing in healthy adults. Another study found that rosemary essential oil aroma improved math calculations accuracy and reduced students' mental fatigue. If you are looking for a way to boost your brain power, add rosemary to your diet or try using it in aromatherapy. 4. Rosemary can reduce stress and anxiety levels. The aroma of rosemary has been shown to reduce stress levels and anxiety in people. It has been proven that inhaling the rosemary essential oil for 5 minutes had a calming effect on the mind and reduced stress levels. Another study found that smelling rosemary before an exam helped reduce test anxiety. Try using rosemary in aromatherapy or adding it to your food if you feel stressed out. 5. Rosemary enhances your sight and eye health. Rosemary is a rich source of beta-carotene, converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for healthy eyesight. It helps protect your retina from damage and reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration. It also helps improve night vision. It will help if you eat at least 1 serving of rosemary per week to enjoy these health benefits. You can add it to your food or drink it as tea. 6. Rosemary detoxifies your liver and gallbladder. Rosemary is a natural detoxifier. It helps to remove toxins from your liver and gallbladder. This herb contains a compound called carnosol, which helps protect your liver by inhibiting the production of enzymes that can damage your liver. You can never go wrong with including rosemary in your detoxification program. 7. Rosemary improves blood circulation. When your blood circulation is improved, it helps to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your cells. It can help improve your energy levels and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. If you are looking for a natural way to improve your blood circulation, rosemary may be your herb. Rosemary contains compounds such as carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which help to improve blood circulation. These compounds work by preventing the formation of blood clots and inhibiting the activity of enzymes that damage blood vessels. 8. Rosemary helps protect you from cancer. Rosemary contains antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. Compounds such as carnosol and carnosic acid found in rosemary are known to have anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants in rosemary can help reduce your cancer risk, including ovarian cancer and breast cancer. If you are at risk for cancer, adding rosemary to your diet may help reduce your risk. 9. Rosemary enhances hair growth. Rosemary is a natural stimulant, and it can improve blood circulation to the scalp. It helps to promote hair growth. In addition, rosemary has antifungal and antibacterial properties that help keep the scalp free of infection and inflammation. For best results, add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to your shampoo or conditioner, or massage a few drops into your scalp before washing your hair. You can also drink rosemary tea regularly to improve hair health from the inside out. 10. Rosemary improves your heart health. One of the critical health benefits of rosemary is that it helps improve your heart health. Rosemary contains flavonoids compounds, which help protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. These compounds also help improve blood circulation and prevent the formation of blood clots. Hence, adding rosemary to your diet can help reduce your risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular problems. 11. Rosemary improves digestion. Rosemary is also an excellent herb for improving digestion. It helps stimulate the production of stomach acids, which aids in the breakdown of food. Additionally, rosemary can help relieve constipation and other digestive problems. It is, therefore, a great herb to add to your detox diet. 12. Rosemary enhances weight loss. Rosemary can also help you lose weight because it contains compounds that help boost your metabolism and promote fat burning. Additionally, rosemary can help suppress your appetite, making it a great herb for weight loss. So, there you have it. Some great reasons to start using rosemary in your cooking and daily routine. If you are looking for a tasty and healthy herb to add to your diet, look no further than rosemary. This fragrant herb has many health benefits that can help improve your overall health. Add it to your food or drink it as tea for best results. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 10 powerful health benefits of mint leaves you can't ignore. Thanks for watching and bye for now.